Maintaining the external aspects of your home is essential for its longevity, aesthetic appeal, and ultimately, your peace of mind. Whether you're a homeowner in the UK or the USA, or even further afield, the elements and time will take their toll on your property if not properly cared for. Ensuring that your home remains in good condition not only boosts curb appeal, but can also save you from costly repairs down the line. This video will provide practical advice on how to maintain your home's exterior, from techniques to innovative maintenance products that homeowners can use. And for those interested in going the extra mile, we'll end with some bonus information on sustainable maintenance practices that can enhance the environmental efficiency of your home. Welcome back to Resources for Life, the small channel with big ambitions. The roof is arguably one of the most critical parts of a home. In the UK, the weather is often rainy and damp, which can lead to moss and lichen growth on roof tiles. While in the USA, extreme conditions can range from heavy snow in the north to strong sun and hurricanes in the south. Regardless of the climate, keeping the roof in good shape is vital. It's recommended to inspect your roof twice a year, in the spring and autumn. Look for broken, cracked, or missing tiles, UK homes, or shingles, USA homes. Hiring a professional roofer for an annual inspection is wise for larger or more complex roofs. Roof coatings, such as elastomeric coatings, can protect your roof from UV damage, seal leaks, and extend the life of your roof. These products are great for homes in both the UK and USA, offering a protective barrier against various weather elements. Cleaning the roof. For moss-heavy regions, like the UK, using a moss removal product like Wet and Forget can be a game changer. This product can be sprayed on the roof and left to work over time without the need for scrubbing. In the USA, products like Moss Out work similarly. Please consider a like and subscribe to this small growing channel. We aim to get better and better at bringing you good, interesting, and informative content, and your support is very much appreciated. Back to the video. Your guttering system plays a crucial role in directing rainwater away from your home. Faulty guttering is one of the most common causes for damp issues in the home. Blocked or broken gutters can cause water damage to walls, foundations, and even basements. Clear gutters at least twice a year to prevent clogging. In the UK, autumn leaves can often block gutters, while in the USA, snow and ice can lead to cracking if water is left to freeze inside. Installing a gutter guard system, such as leaf guard or gutter brush, will prevent leaves and debris from clogging the gutters. These are available in both markets and save time on frequent cleaning. Check that downspouts are directing water at least 6 feet away from your home's foundation or into a storm water drain. If not, consider extending them using inexpensive downspout extensions available at home improvement stores. You could even make a water feature out of bamboo if you have the room. The exterior walls of your home need regular attention, especially in areas exposed to harsh weather. Brick, stone, wood, and siding materials all require specific care. Brick and stone walls, common in UK, inspect the mortar for cracks or gaps. Repointing or renewing the mortar is necessary if it starts to deteriorate, as cracks or gaps in the mortar can let moisture in. For cleaning, a mix of water and a mild detergent can remove grime and dirt. Wooden facades, common in USA, will need to be inspected for blackening or rot, especially in moist areas. Treat wood with weatherproofing stains or sealants to prevent damage from sun and moisture. Be sure to sand and reapply every few years. For brick homes, Products like Brick Anew or a brick cleaner allow homeowners to give their bricks a modern, updated look without expensive replacements. In both countries, products like BHR premium wood stains can protect wooden homes from moisture and UV damage. Windows and doors are key points of vulnerability when it comes to heat loss and security, but with regular maintenance, they can stay in peak condition. Clean windows regularly with a solution of water and vinegar for streak-free glass. In the UK, where condensation is a common issue, consider investing in dehumidifiers or draft excluders for older wooden or metal windows. For homes in the USA, especially in hot or cold climates, energy-efficient windows, like double or triple glazing, are ideal. Ensure that doors and windows are properly sealed. Use weather stripping or caulk to seal any gaps that may have developed, as these can lead to drafts and higher energy bills. However, in the UK in particular, completely sealing up your home means there is no natural ventilation, which can lead to damp problems. Ventilation is key to dealing with most damp or mold issues, so consider trickle vents in windows and extractor fans in kitchens and bathrooms. In areas prone to harsh winters, such as the northern USA, storm doors and windows provide an extra layer of insulation. Innovative products. Thermal imaging cameras can be rented to detect heat loss around doors and windows. Using this technology can help homeowners in both the UK and USA spot areas that need better insulation or sealing. Driveways and walkways take a lot of wear and tear from daily use and weather conditions, and in USA, the occasional bear. In both the UK and USA, moss, algae, and weeds can grow on driveways, particularly if they are shaded or damp. After weeding if you need to, use a pressure washer to clean concrete or stone surfaces annually. For more stubborn areas, a cleaning solution like Simple Green Driveway Cleaner can be very effective. For cracked driveways, products like the Driveway Elastomeric Crack Filler for asphalt in the USA, or Everbuild 901 Black Bitumen Paint for UK tarmac surfaces can extend the life of the driveway without requiring a full replacement. Seal coating. In the USA, where asphalt driveways are common, homeowners should consider seal coating every 2 to 3 years to protect against sun and water damage. In the UK, sealing stone or concrete paths with a high-quality water repellent will prevent moisture from penetrating the surface. The area surrounding your home should not be neglected, as well-maintained gardens and landscaping can protect your home's foundation and boost curb appeal. Check out our other videos on these subjects and more around looking after your garden and home. Trim overgrown trees and shrubs to prevent them from damaging siding, windows, or roofs. In both the UK and USA, it's important to ensure that branches aren't too close to your home to avoid potential damage from storms or high winds. Install soaker hoses or drip irrigation systems to keep plants well watered without oversaturating the soil. This is especially useful in dry regions of the USA where water conservation is important. Smart irrigation systems such as Raccio or Eve Aqua can help automate garden watering, ensuring optimal hydration while conserving water in both the UK and USA climates. As environmental concerns grow, many homeowners are seeking sustainable methods to maintain their properties. Adopting these practices can save money in the long term while benefiting the planet. Solar-powered exterior lights. Install solar-powered lighting along paths, driveways, and gardens. This eliminates the need for electrical wiring and reduces energy consumption. Rain barrels are an excellent way to collect water for your garden, reducing water bills and making your home more eco-friendly. They're easy to install and are available in a variety of designs to suit your home, even using wheelie bins and adapted guttering. For a more innovative and eco-friendly approach, consider green roofing, where a layer of vegetation is added to your roof for insulation and rainwater absorption. Similarly, vertical gardens, green walls, are an increasingly popular way to add greenery to urban homes, especially in parts of the world where space is limited. Across the world, homes require different maintenance strategies based on local climates and building materials. In tropical regions, moisture control is paramount. Regularly treating exterior wooden surfaces to prevent mold and mildew is crucial. Using high-quality sealants and waterproof paints can protect homes from the intense monsoon rains. Africa. In areas with high heat and sunlight, it's vital to invest in reflective roofing materials and exterior paints to reduce the effects of extreme heat. Solar reflective paints can be a good investment for homes across sunny regions. Europe outside UK. Many European homes use natural stone or plaster facades. Keeping these clean and in good repair requires careful attention to prevent water infiltration, which can cause long-term damage. Using breathable paints and coatings and keeping pointing maintained will allow moisture to escape, avoiding trapped dampness. Maintaining the exterior of your home is a vital task that should be approached systematically and proactively. Whether you're living in the UK, the USA, or elsewhere, keeping up with routine maintenance will prevent costly repairs and keep your home looking its best. With the help of innovative products and sustainable practices, you can make your home both efficient and eco-friendly. Now that you're armed with these tips and tools, it's time to get started on making sure your home remains in peak condition for years to come. Thanks for watching.